Dos and don'ts of credit repair services, what you need to know. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the do's and don'ts of using credit repair services. Whether you're looking to improve your credit score or just curious about the process, this video is for you. We'll cover everything from how to choose the right credit repair service to what to do if you're facing credit challenges. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how credit repair works, the potential benefits and drawbacks, and most importantly, how to avoid common pitfalls. So let's get started. Do your research. Choosing the right credit repair service. First things first, not all credit repair services are created equal. Just like any service you'd shop for, it's crucial to do your due diligence. Take your time, explore your options, and remember, a little research goes a long way. Look into multiple companies, compare their services, fees, and most importantly, read reviews from real customers. Remember, your credit score is important, so choose a company you trust. Patience is key. Don't expect overnight miracles. Credit repair is not a quick fix. It's a process that takes time and patience. Think of it like getting in shape. You wouldn't expect to lose 20 pounds overnight just from one gym session. Similarly, rebuilding your credit score involves addressing the underlying issues, disputing inaccuracies, and demonstrating responsible financial behavior. Any company promising instant results is likely not being entirely truthful. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Know your rights. The Credit Repair Organizations Act. The Credit Repair Organizations Act, or CROA, is a federal law designed to protect consumers from unfair or deceptive practices by credit repair companies. Familiarize yourself with your rights under CROA, and don't hesitate to ask a credit repair company about their compliance. Chapter 4. Money talks, but don't pay up front. When it comes to credit repair services, be cautious of companies demanding large upfront fees before any work is done. Legitimate credit repair companies typically operate on a pay-as-you-go or monthly fee structure. You're hiring them for a service, and you should only pay for results, not empty promises. A reputable company will be transparent about their pricing and won't pressure you into making a large payment up front. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Chapter 5. Reviews. Matter. Hear from others. Before entrusting your credit to a company, see what others have to say. Look for reviews and testimonials from previous clients. Websites like the Better Business Bureau or consumer review platforms can provide valuable insights into a company's reputation. Reading about other people's experiences can help you avoid potential scams or shady operations. Chapter 6. Be proactive. Don't ignore your credit report. Taking charge of your credit health starts with being aware of what's on your credit report. Request a free copy of your credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, and review them carefully for any errors or inaccuracies. Simple mistakes can negatively impact your score. Chapter 7. Get it in writing. The importance of a written contract. Before you sign on the dotted line with a credit repair company, make sure you receive a detailed written contract outlining all the terms and conditions of their services. Don't rely on verbal promises. Having everything documented protects both you and the company. Chapter 8. Don't fall for quick fixes. Be wary of scams. Be wary of credit repair companies promising a quick fix or guaranteed results. Those are major red flags. Legitimate credit repair takes time and effort. Scammers often prey on individuals who are desperate to improve their credit quickly. If something feels off, trust your gut and walk away. Chapter 9. Stay informed. Monitor your credit score regularly. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your credit. Make it a habit to monitor your credit score regularly. There are plenty of free and paid credit monitoring services available that can alert you to any changes or suspicious activity on your credit report. Staying informed allows you to catch potential issues early on and take action promptly. Chapter 10. Follow through. Stay on top of disputes. Credit repair isn't a passive activity. It requires active participation on your part. If you've disputed errors on your credit report, don't just assume they'll be resolved automatically. Follow up with the credit bureaus and the companies that reported the inaccurate information. Stay organized, keep records of all correspondence, and be persistent in your efforts. That's it for today's video on the do's and don'ts of credit repair services. I hope you found this information helpful. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on managing your finances. See you next time.